Hello guys, welcome back to creativityqueen. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Today we're gonna be making a paper pen out of paper. It's gonna be a really easy 1-minute craft. So let's get started. Today guys, and one more thing, if you guys have tried out any of the crafts from my channel, then do send it to me through Instagram at xarchana, and I'll be posting it on my community tab so that everyone can see, and I'll be really happy to see your crafts. And guys, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Also follow me on Instagram for relatable content. I'll see you soon with another video. Stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye.